Hey everyone, here's our sprint plan sync for the conversion team for digital experience for August 3rd. I will share my screen and we can hand it off to Jess to kind of get things started off.
Thanks. Just share the screen. There we go. Okay, cool. So I've got a few things I'm working on right now. A lot of them are on the pricing page, little iterations here, here and there, like defaulting the pricing to annual, adding a little screen around different tiers just to call out various things about them. Also, yeah, working a little update to the install page hero. I just started an issue for doing some research around the pricing page, and I still have open research around education and campuses. And I think that's it. A lot of little things. I'll pass it to Megan's not here. I don't know if anyone wants to speak for her, or you can skip to Gabby.
I'll kind of speak a little bit for Megan. Megan is working on the ROI calculator AP test. It's a bigger one, so we want to kind of get that started. She's also working on LaunchDarkly stuff with Javi to kind of get some like multi-step or multi-testing, ABC testing done. There's a little bit of engineering work to get that so we can get this working for the ROI calculator and for future AB testing. And we can pass it off to Gabby.
Sure, yeah. This sprint, I've been working on small changes and I'll be working on updating some stuff in the pricing page. And then I'm gonna start updating the Y Ultimate and Y Premium pages to pull data from the features files now that we have a plan about how we're gonna move forward with this plan. Yep, that's me, Alvise.
Yep. Right now, I'm currently working on a fix from the pricing fact because there's a trouble between the sync. There are updates from the new data in the buyer experience and some missed updates from the old GitLab.com repo. So this is a update syncing. So I'm working on this right now, and I will pick some from the issues pool. I'm not sure where is the most urgent or the most important. So I'll ask to you, Justin, and I open to help with if someone needs me. And who's next? Dennis.
I'll actually jump in real quick. Obviously, like there's a few issues I'm working on for to improve our web vital scores that I was going to assign to you once I kind of get the issues done. I'm kind of going through a huge list of pages that Dennis supplied that I just need to like go through them, create the issues, and then kind of hand them off. They'll be more just like image swaps and create like help page load scores, stuff like that. That'll be coming down here shortly.
Okay.
And Dennis?
I'm working on a couple things. GA4, I updated the code. The other code wasn't working because it has to be in a specific ISO format, and we're trying to block tracking by default to the EU as a whole, and you can't just use EU, like that's not the right format, so I had to use all of the countries. Working with Miracle and Javi on that so that they can update the codes, and then that will help unblock all of the other GA4 tasks, if it works, of course. Also doing some analytics around the alliances page, which is under partners, with Carrie on that. And I'm also doing analytics work with the FACE group, which is basically all of the analysts in the organization. They're called FACE. It's an acronym for something. And we're working on an end-to-end data model to see the entire user's journey from landing on the site all the way down to conversion. So I'm going to help out with the website portion on that project. I think that's about it for me. So I'll pass it back to maybe Filza.
I don't have anything else to add. I think next steps for us, just based on the conversation before the recording, is to figure out a plan for A/B testing and a timeline, so we can align resources and make sure we're all in sync. Justin, anything else for you?
No, that's basically what I was going to say. So I think we're good.